Hi dear yogis, welcome back to Sash Yoga class. Today we will do simple open hips yoga poses for beginners. Let's start with our pose. First pose, Savasana. Let's go on the floor, lie down on the floor. On inhale, put hands on Namaste. Lift our feet a little bit in the air. And then on exhale, feet down, hands down. One more time, inhale. On exhale, hands down. Inhale, exhale. Great. Let's warm up our hips. Bend the right knee, make a circle in the air with your knee. First on one side, 4 or 5 circles, then the other side. When we're done with one leg, we bring both legs together. We will do the other side, 4 or 5 circles, one side and the other side. That's great. When we're done with these warm-ups, put both legs down, shake the legs. Now hug the right knee and lift left leg all the way to the right foot. On exhale, we will put left leg down on the floor. Lift up your right leg in the air. Inhale. On exhale, bring both legs together. You can shake them on the floor. Now hug the left knee. Bring right leg all the way to the left foot. Inhale. On exhale, put leg down on the floor. Then release left leg. Lift up in the air on inhale, exhale, leg down, shake both legs. Bring both legs, hug the knee, cross the feet and press them towards the chest. Put feet on the ground, down the knee, right foot, left knee, and we are pressing the knee away. Now we will cross fingers behind the thigh and lift our left leg in the air and press towards the chest. You can bend the knee if you prefer, but this is great stretching for your hips. Release both legs, shake them. Feet down on the floor. Now left foot, right knee. We are pressing the left knee away. Then cross the fingers behind the thigh and grab leg pull towards the chest. Bend the knee down if you prefer. But stay here for a few seconds so you can stretch your hips. Release both legs. You can shake them a little bit. Cross the feet. Press towards the chest. Hug one knee, hug the other knee. 2, 3 times, just to relax our hips a little bit. Put legs down on the floor, hands behind the back. Let's sit down. On inhale, let's grab our feet and do Paschimottanasana. Exhale, grab the feet. Lift our right foot in the air and pull on the side, stretching our leg. Then left foot on the side. Great. Now first pose is bound angle pose. Put our feet together, bringing towards the pelvis. You can put your elbows on your knees, pressing your knees down. And we will do some variation here in this bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. We will lift up our right foot in the air and then left. Make sure that legs are straight. And you can put both legs up in the air. Be careful, do not lose balance. If you do, then start this pose from the beginning. Or you can just stay in bound angle pose. One more time, grab your feet. Next pose is shooting boat pose, but we will warm up. We will open our hip on right, left, and then we will hug the leg. Foot goes on elbow and right knee, right hand. We are holding our leg like we are holding a baby. We're trying to open our hips. Let's do the other side. Right hand, left foot, left hand, left knee. Shake both legs. First pose is shooting boat pose. Grab your big toe from your right leg and pull up in the air so it goes all the way to your ear. With left hand we are holding left leg, actually left foot. Now opposite, left leg in the air, right hand is on right foot. This is very difficult pose. If you feel any pain, don't push yourself to do this pose. Now after this pose, we will do a reclined bound angle pose. Go to bound angle pose and lie down on the floor. We can do some variation here. We can put hands closer to inner thighs, and then we will do some push-ups. On exhale, let's lift up our head and shoulders. On exhale, let's go down. Inhale, exhale, few times. Or you can just lie down on the floor and stay in reclined and bound angle pose. Move your hips on right, left, massage your hips after shooting boat pose. Like I already mentioned, it's very difficult pose. One more pose, it's reclined big toe pose. We will use a strap for this pose. First hug the right knee, then put strap around the foot. With right hand we are holding a strap, left hand goes on our hip. Do not move hips here, that's why we are holding hips. And slowly put your leg down on the side. So legs should be on the 90 degrees. If you cannot touch the ground, it's perfectly fine. You can lift up your leg in the air and swap hands. Hold the strap with your left hand, right hand goes on the floor. And twist your body. When we're done with this pose, release your strap, release legs, shake them. And then let's do left side. Hug the knee, put strap around your foot, hold the strap with your left hand, right hand goes on your hip. Slowly put leg down on the side. If you cannot touch the ground, it's perfectly fine. Do not feel any pain, do not push yourself, and don't forget to breathe. We can lift up our leg in the air, swap the hands, right hand is holding the strap, left hand on the floor. When we're done with this pose, release the leg, put both legs on the floor, shake them, left leg across the right, bend the right leg, let's go on the right hip and twist. We are pressing knee down to the floor. Release the legs, shake them. Right leg across the left, bound the left leg. Grab a foot and press knee, right knee on the floor. So we are on the left hip right now. Bring both feet together. Bound the knees. And let's go on the right hip and hands are on the side. Now twist. Let's do the other side. Or you can stay here as much as you can or prefer. cross your feet, grab the feet, and press the knee towards your chest. Perfect. Let's sit down. Shake the legs. Do one more time Paschimottanasana. Now open your legs, spread them, grab your feet, exhale down. You can put hands in the middle, and we will walk slowly with your hands to the left side. We will grab left foot, press head towards the knee, exhale, head down. Then we will walk slowly to the right foot, head down towards your right knee. Now bend the right leg, put foot closer to your inner thigh, and left hand, right knee, right hand all the way to the back, and twist your body. Relax the hands, stretch them. Right hand closer to our hip and stand up. We are stretching here our left side of the body. Sit down, open the legs, grab the feet. The opposite. Bend the left leg. Left foot is closer to our right inner thigh. Now right hand goes on the left knee, left hand at the back and twist. Relax the legs, relax the hands. Left hand closer to our left hip, and let's go up. And we are stretching here our right side. Release the legs, grab the feet, put hands in the middle, bring elbows closer, cross the hands, make a fist and put head down. Let's sit in half lotus pose. Put hands towards, bring elbows back, and release your head down. I hope, guys, you enjoy. It was kind of difficult pose, but make sure that you follow my instruction and breathe. Hands on Namaste. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love you, Sash.